welcome to L.R.S fishing. Campfire on the go, kids in the background, Mrs recording. We're going to have a catch and cook. I've got 2 rods out, pulley panel and a fruit paternoster rig. That's it. That's what we're going to do today. Hopefully we'll catch some whiting to cook on the fire. It should be a good one. I'm looking forward to this. I've never done an actual catch and cook as I catch the fish, so I'm really looking forward to this. Great fire. We've got loads of wood with us, so and we've actually got some burgers as well, so it's going to be a good one. Right, so hopefully you can see me. Hello, oi oi. Now then, slight concern is clumps, massive clumps of weed stringing all the way along the beach. It's absolutely everywhere. Like, you won't see it properly, but literally it's all the way along the beach. About 4 foot from the water's edge to where the fire is. It's all along here, but it's all the way along the beach. It's absolutely horrendous. I've never seen so much seaweed in my life. Whoa, look, my feet have sunk into it. It's madness. So I'm a bit worried about my rod and reel, my line, all the weed going up the line, so hopefully I won't lose any gear. Obviously I want to catch some fish to cook on the fire, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So we've got a fruit paternoster rig on this one, pulley panel on this one, surf agility, and then some cheap 30 quid job from eBay, from Tackle Shop actually. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens and hope for the best. But this one's been out about half an hour. My agility's been out about 10-15 minutes, so I'm going to just freshen up the baits and fingers crossed we'll have some fish. High tide was about, well, half hour ago, so we've got an ebbing tide. So just have to see what happens. It is a bit windy, so I'm struggling. It's a slight southerly wind. So I'm sort of, it's only a gentle breeze, so I'm just struggling to see the difference between a knock and the wind just messing up the rod tips. But yeah, we'll see how we get on anyway. First fish, and it's absolutely tiny. That's brilliant. There you go. Yeah, I'll put it back. Yeah. Come on and let the seals eat it. That's a nice fish, guys. He's deeply hooked. Right, let's go and take it over. I'll get it rested up in the bucket. Oh, fantastic. Okay, in here is what I'm after. In a minute, Marco. Right, let's get him released. So we've got ourselves a lovely flounder, and the reason I know this because down its lateral line it's all rough. If I go that way, well, if I stroke my finger that way, it's all rough. So that's a flounder and a place. Marco. Yeah. Look, do you want to kiss it? No. Right then, let's get him released. So yeah, a place is smooth all over its body, and a flounder down its lateral line, it's all rough. So oh, Flipping heck! He's shot off! Wow! I hope you guys saw that. Right, return to my rock. Right, we've actually caught some we have actually caught some whiting as well, some nice whiting, so we've got it wrapped up in tin foil. The wind has picked up, which is really annoying, so it's making it hard to cook, but we're gonna manage, we'll get it done. Cool, right. Let's see if we can catch anything. So I'm really pleased, man, that's good. I wasn't expecting to catch a flatfish today. I love catching them, I think they're brilliant, and I'm so glad it went back properly as well. I've got the big bucket, so it could like just chill in there. Kids are all wrapped up on the chair over there. Let's go and say hello to them. Look at this troublemaker. Daughter over there, eating. The missus. Fire.
Sausage sandwich.
Absolutely. Sausage sandwich. The fish are in there. So we've got some fish to cook as well, which is fantastic. I'll stoke up the fire again in a minute, get it nice and hot for the fish. What do you reckon, Isabella? Yes, I'll pass you the ketchup. Jem, your foot's on fire, darling. Your foot's on fire. It's a big bit of cold next to our foot. Burger in hand. Yes, life is good. Potatoes on the fire. Fish to go on in a minute. Life is good. Yes.
Hello.
Fella? How you doing?
I'm reading it for all that out. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's right, you heard the man.
Subscribe and business.
Yeah. So guys, the smallest fish on the planet has been hooked by me.
99.99% chance I can unhook it.
Got it? I can't hold it, you'll have to... Oh, go on.
There.
Got it.
See how many.
Watch all the other hooks. Oh, and you dropped him. There he is, on the board.
Oh,
Watch the fillet knife, that's it. Got it.
looks like bait.
It looks like bait.
There you go.
Oh, well done.
Should I put him in?
Let's swap. You have your sausage back. And I'll go for it back. He's absolutely tiny. Well done, Marco. Right, let's get him back. He's absolutely tiny. Oh, and I've dropped him. Come here. There we go, guys. Smallest whiting ever recorded. Gotta get back. Oh dear. So, let me turn that on. That's a bit better. We've got the fire down a little bit, so we're just waiting for the flames to go out, just so we can cook on the embers. There's the fish. A lovely whiting in there, look. Got 3 nice size ones. I'm gonna stick on there.
We will eat fish.
And we're gonna eat some fish.
And when have yummy tummies. Hello. How you doing?
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
It's going quite good. How do you do? Chicken.
Can you shine the light on here for a sec?
There's one more last fish.
No, there's not a fish in there.
Gonna try it, Steve?
Yeah, absolutely. Look at that, I don't know if you can see that. that looks good. Right. Oh my goodness. That's actually really nice. Look at that. Flaky as anything.
You want to try some, darling?
Yeah.
It's quite hot.
What do you reckon?
Now that's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Right, 100 out of 100. Yummy.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Try that, Steve?
Yeah, definitely. What about you?
No, I'm okay, thanks. Blue.
Oh man, it's so fresh on it. That's
Yeah.
amazing. So here we go. Got top hook, fish, and then bottom hook fish. 2 fish on 1 rig. Get in there, right. I'll get them hooked, unhooked and released. Get in there. Well pleased. Cracking evening. What a night. So the family have gone. I'm here by myself. I'm just got the last bit of wood on the fire, so I'm just letting that burn out. I've probably got enough baits just to recycle my baits one more time. I've had an absolute blast, absolute amazing time. Had quite a lot of whiting, flatfish. The smallest whiting you've probably ever seen in your life. But it's all good, man. I've had a great time. So yeah, it's just starting to drizzle. Nothing too serious, but it is what it is. I'm nice and toasty by my fire. Those whiting I caught, they were really nice on the fire. Fresh as a daisy. If you haven't done this before, I urge you to give it a go. It's awesome. I've had an absolute blinding time. What's there not to like? So that's it, I'm done. If you could comment, like, and please subscribe. I'm coming up to 700 subscribers now. I'm really enjoying doing these videos. I'm going to keep on putting some out. But yeah, that's it. As I said, I'm done. Thank you for watching L.R.S fishing. And you know what? Wherever there's water, I'll be there. Catch you later, guys.